Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing our nails. And I did this cute little sunflower design. This is probably going to be my last fall nail design, which I'm kind of sad over. I love fall time. It's probably my favorite time of year. And I always love the designs that you can come up with for fall time for your nails. It's a couple days before Thanksgiving. So I figured this would be probably my last fall time design before we start transitioning into Christmas type designs. So I just really wanted something fun for Thanksgiving. So I thought this was super easy. It looks like, I'm going to go ahead and pop up a picture. It looks like it was a lot more difficult than it really was. The design is all about the layering for sure. So this is the nail kit that I used to create my nails. And I just want to say thank you so much to Born Pretty for partnering up with me on this video. But yeah, I used their 6-piece, I believe this is called the Wonderful Autumn Kit. Of course, I'm going to have everything linked down in the description box for you. But you can get this off of Amazon. It's $10. You get 6 bottles of polish, like I said. I used 3 colors. I used 01. Trying to remember which ones I used. So yeah, I used 01, 03, and 04. So I used a yellow, a burgundy, and an orange color. This kit is going to transition right into Christmas time very nicely because it also comes with 2 different shades of green and a glittery red. I'm going to pop up a picture so you can see all the shades you get in this kit. Love Born Pretty. Their quality is amazing. Their price point is awesome. You get 6 bottles for $10. The odor is very low on this polish, so if odors bother you, I think this would be a good kit for you to try because it is very low odored, so I love that about it as well. And there is a ton of different options that you can get as well. This is not the only set available. Again, I'm going to have it linked below. But I absolutely love how they turned out. Again, super easy. It looks a lot more complicated than it really was. I promise you that. So if you like these types of nail tutorials from me, please make sure that you're giving me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so that way you're notified every time I do an upload. But yeah, girl, let's go ahead and get into the portion where I show you how I created this set. Okay, girl, so we're going to go ahead and get started. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this burgundy shade here. I'm going to paint all my nails with this burgundy shade in 2 coats. And I'm going to cure for 60 seconds in between of each coat. Okay, so now that I have 2 coats on and I have cured them for 60 seconds, I'm going to put a clear top coat on my pinky, my middle, and my thumb because I am not going to be doing anything else to these nails. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of the orange and a little bit of the yellow and put here on my cardboard because these are the colors that I'm going to use for my little sunflower design that I tried to do here. I think it turned out super cute. It may not look perfect, but it does look very good. Super simple to do. So I'm just going to take this little brush here. Now I got this brush with my rhinestone glue, so you don't need nothing extra special. So I'm going to start out by dipping this in my yellow. And I'm going to make kind of like just a half moon here. Does not have to be perfect. You just want to save a little space there for your rhinestones. And then I'm just going to dip and swipe. Dip and swipe. And these are the petals that I'm going to start making. And then I'm going to do the same thing for this one over here. I'm going to make like a half of a moon. And then I'm just going to swipe. I like to go back and swipe these ones again, just to kind of draw the brush lines through it. Now I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds. Okay, so now that I have that cured, I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm just going to make more brush strokes right over top of these, kind of in between. This just gives it a layer. Just like that, and I'm holding the brush sideways and just striping my brush through it. And now I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. Okay, so now I'm going to take a matte coat and I'm going to put a matte top coat over top of this. Make sure that you get it all nice and covered, so that way when you cure it, it looks nice and matte. Okay, I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds. Okay, so now to give it a little bit of dimension, I'm going to take some of my rhinestone glue and I'm just going to draw some stripes with my glue. Okay, now I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds. Okay, so now I'm going to take this orange color here and I'm going to dip my brush in and I'm just going to put the orange right on top of that clear rhinestone glue, just to add a little bit of color to it. Just like that. And now I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds. Okay, so now I'm going to take some rhinestone glue and I am going to fill this little space that we left open with some rhinestone glue on both nails. Then I'm going to pick up 2 larger rhinestones. And I'm going to place them in the center. And then I'm going to take some of the smaller rhinestones and I'm just going to place right around the large one. And this here design is really all about layers. So that's why I was just trying to layer up colors. And just kind of scrunch these all around that big diamond. Now I am going to take a little bit of this clear top coat, not the matte one, but the shiny one. And I am going to put over top of that orange just a little bit, so that way it seals that orange color in. And then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. Okay, and of course, you know I'm going to use my favorite cuticle oil. Okay, girl, so this is the completed set. I love how they turned out. Super cute, very fun for fall time. Very easy to do. It's a lot easier than you think it would be to do. It really is truly just all about the layers for this design, but I absolutely love all of these colors together. This kit from Born Pretty is a beautiful kit. Definitely love it for fall time or winter time, Christmas time coming up. This would be another great set to work with. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.